Connected na yung combiner box natin. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo dito ng slotted bar, papatungan ng battery natin. Gagawin natin dito, yung battery malapit dito sa combiner box para wala tayong voltage drop dito sa battery voltage natin. Then connected na yung input and then output, and then yung positive negative ng battery natin, battery cable from battery to inverter natin connected na. Then yung PV input natin na positive negative, and then ito yung ating MC4 female and male MC4 connector natin. Ito yung pang PV sa solar panel natin sa taas. Okay, maglalagay tayo dito ng slotted bar. Okay, connected na yung lalagyan ng ating LiPo4 battery. Lagyan na lang natin siya ng pressure para hindi magsab yung ating patungan ng battery. And then ito na yung ating mga DCSPD, and then DC circuit breaker, DC circuit breaker, battery to inverter, DC circuit breaker, EB to inverter or MPPT, and then AC SPD, AC circuit breaker from output na inverter to load. And then ito yung AC circuit breaker natin from DU to input, AC input ng ating solar inverter. Ito yung AC input, AC output, DC positive negative, DC cable from battery to inverter, and then from PV to MPPT, DC input ng PV positive negative dito sa solar inverter natin. Okay, connected na yung mga bracket, and then dito maglalagay tayo ng plywood, papatungan ng battery natin. Hanap lang tayo ng plywood. Okay, meron ng plywood, papatungan ng battery. Plywood, ang ginamit natin dyan, ito, jigsaw. Then ipapatong natin ito. Ito battery natin, ito yung galing dun sa 24 volts 3000 na SRNE dun sa baba. And then yung gate power na battery dito, yun yung nilagay ko doon sa setup natin doon sa baba ng 24 volts 3000 watts. Okay, ang gagawin natin, ikakabit natin yung mga safety device. Ito yung mga safety device. Okay, start tayo dito sa DC circuit breaker, 125 ampere. Wala tayong cable gland dito. Ang gagawin natin, i-install muna natin siya, and then to follow na lang yung mga cable gland natin. Yung negative natin, dito sa right side, ito yung symbol ng negative. Dito yung negative natin. Ito yung cable na going to inverter natin. Sa ilalim siya. Okay. Ito yung line load. Negative side ng inverter natin. Ito yung connected sa inverter sa negative sa DC input. And then ito naman ang kakabit natin, yung positive. Connected na yung ating positive and then negative. Ang next natin, yung DC circuit breaker ng PB. Yung DC circuit ng PB natin is 25 amperes. Yung ating ikakabit o install na solar panel PB dito is 800 watts, dalawang 400 watts. Ipaparallel natin. At pwede ring series. Ang hindi lang pwede dito sa 24 volts na 8,000 watt na SRNE, yung series na dalawang 550 watts. Ang nangyayari sa kanya is over voltage. Error, meron siyang code 9. At yung code 9 is over voltage. Yung inverter natin is nade-detect na over voltage. Okay. Ito yung ating negative. Yung negative natin, itong PB cable is connected doon sa PB input from sa line load ng DC circuit breaker natin. Ang gagawin natin dito, if ever na mag-add tayo dito ng solar panel ng PB, ay magpapalit tayo. Replace natin yung DC circuit breaker ng PB natin at tataasan natin yung rated current o yung amperahe. Dito natin padadaan sa side. Okay, ito yung ating cable ng TV. Positive side. Line load ng DC circuit breaker ng PB, and then going to PB input. Okay, ito yung ating DC SPD, yung surge protective device. Ito yung protection natin sa lightning. Ito yung lightning arrestor. Okay, i-install natin dito sa PB DC circuit breaker sa positive, and then going to DC SPD. Ito yung cable natin. Okay, ito yung cable ng ating negative na connected sa TV DC circuit breaker, and then negative ng DC SPD. Okay, install natin yung ating TV cable from TV doon sa taas. Okay, next natin yung positive. Ito yung ating positive. install natin itong ating ACSPD. Okay, ito yung ating AC circuit breaker. Ito yung connected sa output ng ating solar inverter. Okay, ito yung output ng ating solar inverter. Ito yung connected dito sa line in ng ating AC circuit breaker. And then yung line load, ito yung connected sa load natin. Okay, itong blue na conductor natin, ito yung connected sa output ng solar inverter. Okay. Ito yung conductor natin from solar inverter. Yung cable natin from battery to inverter is 25 mm. And then yung PB cable natin is 6 mm from PB to solar inverter na PB input 6 mm. And then itong conductor natin sa AWG is number 10 o AWG 10. Okay, install natin yung battery. Install natin dito yung ating battery. Okay, ito na yung battery natin. Ang gagawin natin, install natin yung positive and then negative doon sa DC circuit breaker. Positive, connected dito sa positive ng DC circuit breaker. And then yung negative ng battery natin is connected dito sa B negative. And then yung P negative is connected sa negative ng ating DC circuit breaker. Patay na cable. Okay, install natin yung cable ng battery. Install natin yung cable ng battery. Battery to DC circuit breaker ng solar inverter natin. And then DC circuit breaker from line load to DC input ng solar inverter natin. I-install natin yung positive terminal ng battery natin. Okay, next natin yung negative. Dito tayo sa DC circuit breaker. Medyo mahirap magpasok, matigas yung cable ng ating conductor. Okay, ito yung negative cable natin. Ito yung negative cable ng battery natin. Gusto na natin yung negative ng BMS. Ito yung B negative connected sa negative ng battery. Okay, ito yung ating P negative. Ito yung connected sa DC circuit breaker natin. P negative is connected sa negative ng cable natin, cable ng battery or cable ng negative natin from solar inverter na dumaan dito sa ating DC circuit breaker na 125 ampere. Okay, next natin itong output. Okay, ang next natin itong AC circuit breaker. Solar inverter, and then line load is connected sa load natin. Ito yung output ng ating AC circuit breaker going to load. Ito yung output natin from AC circuit breaker, AC1, AC2. And then yung line in is AC1, AC2 from solar inverter. Ito, yung blue. AC1, AC2. Okay, connected na yung line load or load ng AC circuit breaker natin going to electrical appliances natin sa load ito. Output ng AC circuit breaker from solar inverter and then going to loads natin. Okay, ito yung ating AC circuit breaker from DU. Okay, install natin yung AC input. Ito yung AC input natin. Connected dito sa line load ng ating AC circuit breaker from DU or grid. Ito, line 1, line 2. Okay, i-install natin yung ating ACSPD. Okay, ito yung isang cable natin o conductor natin connected sa SPD natin, AC SPD. Okay, ito yung ating cable o conductor na connected sa AC input ng ating solar inverter. From grid, line 1, line 2, and then ito yung ating line load going to AC input. Okay, connected na. Kulang natin itong ating grounding. AC, SPD grounding, and then DC, SPD grounding. Kuha tayo ng grounding sa baba. Okay, papower on natin. Nag-start tayo dito sa DC circuit breaker ng battery to solar inverter. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Kailangan sure natin yung ating connection, yung wiring. Negative, B negative connected sa negative ng battery, P negative connected sa solar inverter. Dumaan ang DC circuit breaker. Ito, and then ito yung going to solar inverter. Positive ng battery natin. Ito yung terminal ng battery. Positive terminal ng battery natin. Then positive red going to DC circuit breaker. And then yung line load or load ng DC circuit breaker is going to positive ng solar inverter. Power on. And then power on dito sa ilalim. Ayun. Yung ating battery is battery to inverter to load. Okay, ang next natin ito. Ito yung next natin. Battery, power on, and then power on dito sa switch ay ating solar inverter. And then ito yung next. And then yung next na i-on natin, ito yung AC. Ayun, yung AC natin. Okay, i-install natin yung PB. Yung PB natin, positive and then negative. Okay, power on yung DC circuit breaker ng PB. Okay, ito yung PB natin. Ayun, nag-charge yung ating PB. I-check natin yung charging current. 16.6 ampere, 36 volts yung PB voltage. And then yung charging current or PB current is 16.5 ampere. Ang kulang natin sa setup natin yung grounding ng AC-SPD and DC-SPD. And then kulang natin yung cable glands. Mag-install tayo dito ng cable glass para magandang tingnan, presentable. Okay, maraming salamat po at thank you po. At naipakita ko sa inyo yung PV combiner natin. 800 pesos yung price, worth 800 pesos from Ian Solar. And then lalagyan natin siya ng cover. Kunin ko yung cover at ikakabit natin. Okay, ito na po yung combiner box natin. Ayan po yung ating 24 volts, 3000 watts na SRNE. Connected na yung ating combiner box. Okay, 27 volts, 10 ampere yung charging. Yung battery is 27.1 volts. Okay, thank you po. At naipakita ko sa inyo yung aking ginawa. Inilipat ko yung battery from doon sa baba. And then dito ko install. And then yung nandito, yung grid power. Yun naman yung nilagay ko sa baba. Pinagsama ko yung dalawang 100. Ginawa kong 8S2P. Ito naman ang connection ng battery natin nito is 8S2P. 16 pieces yan. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8S2P. 60 ampere hour yung per cell. And then, nakaparallel yung dalawa is 120 ampere hour. And then, 8S voltage is 3.2 volts. Ang voltage natin is 25.6.